Good morning, guys. So from today onwards, I'll be starting off vlogs, live trading vlogs, just like a biker and just like every other YouTuber who's doing a vlog. We traders also can do a daily vlog. So day traders vlogs, lifestyle vlog. So yes, I will try to show you few things apart from the display, because you see always me sharing my screen. You don't see my lifestyle out of the screen. So how do I learn, how much of hard work I put, or what are the things I look into? So that type of learning also we can start off. So anyways, I got my new display again. I got a big 27-inch display because I wanted a little more bigger one for editing and all those. So I just took a gaming monitor which is 27-inch MSI. Okay, it was a new one. I just got it yesterday, so I had to do all the fixing and stuff. So my studio is a bit messy. So this is my studio for the ones who have not seen it exactly. So this is a room built above my house. It's a long room. So I have my green screen set up here. Yes, I'm learning properly about green screen. I'm still a learner. So this is a glass over here. If you can see me over here. It's a glass. So I was a dancer. So I don't want to lose my hobby or my passion of dancing. So sometimes whenever I'm happy, I will dance in front of this. Even if I'm sad also, I keep dancing in front of this mirror. So you feel good. And here I have a gym setup, which I actually don't do. Only for the namesake I got it. So I will work out sometime only. As of now, there is no gym, so I have to use it. So if you see today, let's go to the NSE website. So NSE website, market is somewhere positive. Okay, so if you see, market is somewhere positive side today, and let's just look at the graph of Nifty. Slowly you can also understand how to see a chart on an scalping, on an intraday. Okay, how exactly you can look into the graph and all those. Slowly when you will learn. So this is my experience, what I'm looking into, which I'm still learning so many things. So now, for example, if you see on a 5 minutes chart, and you know, stochastic is something which I've taught you guys already. So go to my channel and watch stochastic video. It is very helpful for a lot of people. So it may help you also. So now if you see, look at stochastic is already in the top range. RSI is already in the top range over here. So somewhere the market is not in a position to go up right now, because obviously it's already in an overbought zone. Now there are technical traders who will short at these positions, so they may short here. But if we have, because it's psychology of people, right? So if there are a lot of buyers, definitely this can go up from here. All right. So meanwhile, I'm shooting on the GoPro. So I get all the features over here. It's a nice option, so I can hit the record button and pause it. I can see how much is the view, because in GoPro there is no display to see how much it is viewing. So this is a nice option. I can see what is covered in the screen. I mean, I'm learning to vlog, so let's see all these features will help me or not. Meanwhile, I have to finish my breakfast. So this is how I do my breakfast every day. I sit here and I eat my breakfast because market will start. I get up at market when 9 o'clock the alarm hits. I get up, my mom says get up, go do trading. So I get up, I fresh up, and I come here. Then my mom sends me these breakfast with me. So yeah, currently I'm eating fruits and cornflakes and all those, because one thing is for weight loss, which I'm trying from years together, to lose my belly fat, which I got when I started working in corporate, eating and sitting. So yeah, I'm trying my best to lose it. So all these attempts are part of it. Also now, because you know, you have to keep your immunity high, so therefore eating healthy foods is always good for you guys. It's our one life and we should take care of it. Just like our wealth, our health is also important. So my 3 goals are healthy, wealthy and happy. So I always work on these 3 things in my life. So yeah, so that's part of it. So now I'm adjusted. Initially I felt these foods are not good, you know, always I used to eat burgers and all those. So that's the reason the results are these. But now I feel health is important. So yeah, all of this, not because of marriage, but anyways, I want to keep myself fit. So I will have my breakfast also. I will do my, so I'm recording over here for you guys, because in the PC, like you know, the recording won't look good when you see on your mobile. It looks very small numbers. So here is where I am doing, and infratel is what we are waiting for. Whereas infratel has not yet reached down. So let's wait for some more time. Apart from this, I will try to see some other stocks. Also, we will try to look into options. Let me try to eat a little bit and then we will look into options also. stocks which are there for the day. For example, let's say we have advances of 42 and we have declines of 8. So gainers and losers, I you can see that the losers are having very less percentage of falling, whereas the gainers are having high percentage of movement. So for example, you have Infratel as a stock. So if I put Infratel, alright, so Infratel is a stock right now in the radar. So if you see the levels of Infratel in the morning itself, it was in a overbought zone, whereas stochastic had given you a signal over here in the morning. So from here to here, alright, so this was your point of entry and exit in terms of scalping. Now currently you see it is in a journey where it can come down. Okay, RSI can come down, stochastic can come down. I have put a Heikin-Ashi over here. So if you see, this is a Heikin-Ashi chart. So the pattern somewhere it's going red. Maybe if I want to add a position, if I want to be more safer, then I would add somewhere from the lower levels of RSI, or else I will take 50% risk in the terms of stochastic. So meanwhile, we can use, so in this case, we are not going to take a position. Also, I'm not going to plan to sell over here. You can sell, you can take a risk, but look at this Nifty. Nifty is in positive. Somewhere everybody are looking to buy the stocks, and this stock is a top stock right now. I'm not planning to sell. I don't want to take 50-50 chances, either go up or come down. So I would rather wait, not taking a buy at these levels, because you see it is turning down right now. It's breaking the 70 line, right? So it's like a sell signal in technicals. Now intraday, if a lot of buyers are there, yes, it can spike out later a green candle and go up. For that I have to wait, or else at least I will wait for my stochastic to reach down, which has 50% risk. So once it crosses about this 40 negative 40 line, that's when I can scalp out a position in this top stock, rather than just waiting right now and blindly looking at what's the time right now, 10:17, right? So rather than blindly taking a trade at any point and just expecting the stock to go up, stock will obviously come down and it can go up also. So it can hit your stop losses also, and then it can go up. So rather try to wait for a position where you can buy from the lower levels. You have tradingview.com, so we can use tradingview.com for our analysis. We will try to do a lot of analysis like this. Even you should do analysis. The reason I'm showing you all this is that you should also do paper trading and try to think from my point of view if you want to learn myself of trading. Okay, only for that interest I'm sharing with our crowd. So we will do, so I've just added 5 lakh rupees, okay, because it is a free money, right? You can add how much ever you want. So it's a happiness that you can add how much ever rupees. So based on my capitals, I have put 5 lakh as my practice. If your capital is 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, please put based on that. Don't put some big number, because in reality, when you put 5,000 rupees, then you will feel bad that you traded for 10 lakh rupees and you're trading now in 10,000 in real money. So put your real money in practice, keep it real, okay? So it's a reality. So 5 lakh is what I am keeping based on my capacity of capitals. 5 lakh is my average. So I'm keeping 5 lakh for just for paper trading here. We will just track all the good things and bad things. We will also check out few news recommendations. We will try to do some options. I think we don't have options here. I have to just do my options on the chart. Now, you know, Zerodha has given a very good drawing information like trading view itself. So we will try to put some call outs like this, saying, example, I'm not doing it. I'm just saying we will do something like this. And let's say we will tell here sell, okay, like this we will do on options, okay, rather than in trading view we don't have futures and options. So what we will do, we will use this one, Zerodha itself. It is far better. So we will do options and equity, everything we will do in this live trading vlogs, day trader vlogs, okay, so that you guys understand what and all things I do. And apart from the screen also, I will show you few things, few habits which you can do, which if you think it makes sense, you can also try it out to become a better trader, like how I'm learning. Okay, so meanwhile, let's see, in case it is not, stochastic is not coming down and giving a signal, maybe end of the day or mid of the day, you may get a signal. If you don't get a signal, obviously you don't trade. But right now, here, thank God we didn't take a position. But whereas if I want to take a position, then I would go for the next resistance breakout. Next resistance breakout is somewhere in the peak area. So let's look at a candle. So somewhere I would say this is the area where it got price got rejected and price came down, and now maybe a rally has started. If okay, the condition is okay, as a trader you should have both the possibilities. If it breaks this line, what is this high? Okay, it is 199.95. Okay, let me say 200. In case it breaks, then 200 is my buy price for Infratel. And how much is point 0.3? So 20 paisa, if it is the stock price, 20 paisa plus 20 paisa plus 20 paisa, 60 paisa is my target, because 0.3 percentage based on the stock you have to into 0.3 percentage you have to calculate in your calculator. I do most of mind calculation, I got used to it. So from here, if it goes here, then our buy is triggered. Okay, so that is one more conditions what I keep. Either stochastic has to come down and go for a buy over here. So stochastic is not yet reached, so I don't want to do consider this as my buy area. So if it comes down, that is one type of buy. Second type of buy is if it breaks anytime this point. So I will try to keep a drawing over here. Let's say this is call out. Okay, so I'll try to keep a call out at 200, not 199.95, at 200. In case if it reaches that area, let it buy, or else let it be pending. Okay, so okay, like this. Anyways, I will type the number, buy at only 200. Okay, so that is the one. From there, 0.3%. What is this average line? Okay, so what is this measure? So if I have to measure, now I have to measure from this point. 0.3 is, yeah, you have a very good drawing patterns. Now you see 0.3 is somewhere around 60 paisa. Okay, so good. Now you don't have to do mind calculation also, just do measure and just calculate how much over here. You can set your target, but I don't want it. I will just put a call out, or else horizontal line or something if you have. What is this horizontal line? So I will keep my horizontal line at 200.60. Okay, so let me expand this. Two 200.60, right? Okay, what did I pull this up? Okay, this is 200. My target is 200.60. Perfect. Okay, so I have to buy somewhere. Let me put it here. Okay, I have to buy somewhere at this point and sell at the next point. Okay, so I'll just put a call out for this also. So going forward, these things will be more useful for us. So I will say sell is over here. Sell 200.60 only for this stock. Okay, so I'm just saving it. Did it go somewhere? Oh god. So 200.60, sell, save. Where did it go? Not sure how it works, but anyways, let's see. Once it reaches this point, that is a sell point. So this is my trigger. Okay, you got the idea, right? So this is my buy trigger, this is my sell trigger. So if it touches here, the buy is activated, I'm into a trade, my target will be somewhere over here. All right, I'm just scalping in this small quick moments, or else I have to wait for stochastic to reach the 40 line. Once it crosses below and goes above the 40 line, then we will plan to take a position in terms of Heiken-Nishi. Meanwhile, let's see what's happening with Bank Nifty. I just want to find out the top contracts. So I've already shown you all this in my options learning series. So if you've not learned that, then definitely go watch option series videos. So that will also help you guys. See, these are the top current contracts which have been traded today. So if you see Nifty is there, Bank Nifty also is there. So You see this strike price, so don't need to worry. You can select your strike price right here. Either Nifty you can take 10,800 or Bank Nifty you can take, let's say, 22,000. So moreover, we are practicing Bank Nifty. I'm practicing more of Bank Nifty. So 22,000 is the number which you can take. This is call option. Okay, so now today market is green. So somewhere on call option is somewhere I can take action. And if you want Bank Nifty put option, then 21,500 is the option. But anyways, we will go for 22,000 call option. You see this Bank Nifty, 23 July is the expiry. So 22,000, it automatically it will come. So I want 23rd July CE. So this is CE, right? So I'm adding this only over here. So I'm opening the chart of it, and I'm just seeing if I have a buy call on this. Okay, that is the main goal. With the help of stochastic, like whether we have a buy call or not. Buy call should come from below. So I will just close RSI as of now. So I'll just close this. I will just close this information. Okay, the chart is clear. So we will put Haikanashi. See here, I have to see this is a call option, okay, and call option I'm betting that the Bank Nifty will go up. So here I have to get a signal from the below. So from morning you see there is no signal. This was a sell signal, which I don't want to do on this selling right now. I'm not learning to sell right now. I'm only learning to buy. Once I finish with learning with buying, then only I will look into selling. So my signals should be from the below of stochastic. So now I have selected this particular contract, that is 22,000 strike price of 23rd July Bank Nifty. Alright, and it's a call option. So don't get confused. Watch our videos on option series. You will get a better idea of what I am talking. So now if I have to get a signal on this contract, I need to get somewhere from the down, or else you saw 20 put option was how much, 21,500 put option. So PE of this. Okay, so different contracts people are trading more. You see the I will show you the volume. So you see the volume in this call option was around 34 lakh. Okay, so that is the reason I choose this, because lot number of people are trading here, so we may get some advantage. Same way in put option, 21 lakh people are trading here. Let's look at the chart. See, now we are getting a buy option in terms of your put option. You see this put option, you're getting a buy over here, right? See, this is a buy point for that. Bollinger I didn't add. So this is a Bollinger point. So somewhere the stock has a tendency to go up to somewhere over here. So now let's say I will hit a buy around what is the price now, 301, right? 301 is what we saw. So let's say around 301 I'm taking a position, and the middle band is on 325, but I don't want so much. Let's say or 5 to 10 rupees if I scalp also. You see the movement here. I entered a position at 301. I hit a trade like this over here. Okay, so I buy immediately, and market price I buy, and it immediately went to 3010. Later, not this one. Okay, so later it can go up or it can come down. It depends on the stock. So either it can achieve later part this 325, or if this lower, this middle band comes down, also target reduces. But anyways, from 301 at least till 5 rupees, 10 rupees I scalped out easily over here, like you saw when I got a confirmation in this. Or else if you want to take risk, you can wait from this point to this point. Okay, this stochastic has to reach the top level. But my only concern is market is green. Bank Nifty, basically Bank Nifty is what you have to check. So Bank Nifty, okay, so if your Bank Nifty index is positive, okay, then you have to only concentrate on the buy side. So look at your Bank Nifty. Your Bank Nifty is like this right now. Overall Bank Nifty is green. I know Bank Nifty is coming down, so that is the reason your put option, so your put option is going up. You got a buy signal here. If Bank Nifty was going from this down here, then on call option you will get a buy.
So don't get confused. Daily we will look at these type of situations. Now if I have to buy my call option, I will wait for Bank Nifty to reach the lower levels, then I will wait for Bank Nifty to go up. That time I will wait for this particular call option to also come down and go up. So that is a signal for me. Okay, somewhere it should be near the lower band areas. Okay, not signal should not be here, the signal should be from here. So that's more about the options. Okay, so let's look at our equity. So has the stock gone or it is still going down? Okay, it is still going down. Good. Either you have to wait for stochastic to reach down, okay, or else we need to wait for this breakout. So two side I have an option. Either I will buy from the dip, okay, a dip I will buy, or else I will buy in the breakout. Okay, so two options I have right now on infratel. So let's see which one will give you. Now the important thing what you guys have to understand is the patience. So if you don't have the patience to wait, then it is like you're just entering blindly here, selling here, and it went up, stop loss hit. You're doing buying here, it went down, stop loss hit. You should have a proper plan which side you want to take, and you have to wait for that system. Okay, so your strategy or your system, whatever you believe you are tested, you have to wait for some time. So like this, there are so many ideas which I've shared on YouTube, right? So you can open like this, either put a trade over here, infratel, you can put a buy. You can say you're buying over here at whatever quantity and whatever target you want to buy, limit order or market order you want to buy. Just mention those and start doing a paper trade right directly here. Okay, if you want to see numbers. If not, if you want to test something or practice something, you can draw with the help of Zerodha itself. Now you have all the tools over here. Same thing you can do in trading view also. So in your broker also, like Upstox also have everything, have this trading view. So use this options to draw. Okay, or else in Zerodha, now chart IQ itself have this drawing options. So we will wait for those signals what we have drawn over here. All right, currently the price is around, so let me put this to a regular candle for this pattern. um, so currently the price has reached at this level, so our break point is here. So if you look at the market depth, 13.9 lakh people are buying and 14 lakhs are selling, so it is almost the equal. Buyers or sellers are equal and the market is positive. Okay, so we need to wait for next rally of buyers to buy, because technicals were telling it is going to come down. So obviously people or traders won't enter here, most of them who knows about technicals. But others, I'm sure they would have entered by mistake in the middle, or you would have entered here and stock would have gone down. Later when the stock goes up, you will say stock went up after hitting my stop loss. So observe the market, understand the movements. Once you understand the movements, that's when we can take some advantage over here. So anyways, we have to patiently wait. Time is till 3:30. If you don't get any trade with 3:30 also, it is good. Or else you can observe other stocks also. I'm not saying you can't observe, but we will take it little by little so that we can learn every day. All right. Okay, so call option is still in the down rally only. So whenever it crosses above the 40 line is when you get an opportunity. But before that, what happened to infratel? Okay, infratel has gone up to 200.75. So our target was how much? 200.60, right? So I think it has been achieved. So let me put this to candlestick, and finally you see it has hit our target. Okay, so our entry was at this point, buy at this price, sell around 200.60. Finally it has gone and triggered the position. Now maybe there are buyers who exited their position, so the stock may would have come down. They have exited the position, or else if not many have exited, it can continue also. But you got an idea of how we took advantage of this particular situation in infratel. A breakout happened, and this was our buy and this was a sell, and 0.60 paisa was achieved. Maybe end of the day also, if you have waited, it will achieve. But scalping, hitting within few minutes is very important. It's a 5 minutes candle. So yes, Happy to see it has triggered. Was this a confirmation? No. So like we thought, it didn't reach the 40 line, so it turned before that because buyers are so good that the stock got pushed up. So it turned halfway from the zero line. So this is zero line. It has turned, taken a support near the zero line, and it has turned. So there is no buy from the below. The time of 12 o'clock deadline is coming, whereas a breakout helped us out here. All right. So this was more about equity. So same concept you will do on futures also. So you will search FUT Infratel and you will get the latest month of Infratel, and you will do the same analysis on futures. So your equity, if you learn, your futures is going to be easy. There will be little up and down theory difference, but the logics of predicting and scalping will be same. But let's look at our options now. Options practice, what we are doing. Call option. So call option over here. So anyways, put option, let's see, we had done a rough buy around 301. So like we thought, from 301 area, right, somewhere around 301 area here, we got up to where we had to wait till here. Okay, so it has gone up to 370 as per we predicted. If we do a buy over here, yes, the market was the bank nifty was green. Somewhere I would have ignored this area, but you saw it was neutral. Okay, your bank nifty was neutral, and it is still neutral only. So both the directions are having advantage sideways today. So next opportunity is in call option during the day within 12 o'clock. If it is coming up somewhere, we have an opportunity to buy at that point. Okay, so from there on, either 5 rupees or 10 rupees, you can scalp on. Looking at the Bollinger Band, it looks a big difference. The volatility looks big, but don't trust it, because as and when the candles keep moving, this can shrink. Okay, so that time your targets or your mindset also should shrink such a way that if it touches this point, you are done. But anyways, as of now, it is taking time to turn. Obviously, this side has an advantage. The PE has an advantage here. The rally is gone. When PE rally comes down, your CE rally goes up. Okay, so where CE, yeah, your CE rallies will go up when that one comes. So it's vice versa. So you can take advantage in put option, you can take advantage in call option. So here also you are buying, here also buying based on the signals generated from the below within 12 o'clock. So it is just a practice, it's just a system which I have created, which I am practicing. You can also practice, a lot of people are practicing, but we will try to do a lot of new experiments every day. So that's how you learn a new thing. And when things are working, really working, that is when you will go put your money in the background and you will trade carefully. Okay, not always, not on every trade you do. Well, that was the end of today's vlog. So yes, the time is around 11:38. I will just go and freshen up and I will sit for my classes. So I have almost only 5 classes today. Thankfully it is reducing, so I will get a break after lunch. So I will sit and edit all these clips. I have so many clips right now, so I will try to edit all these clips and try to edit and put some music and all those stuff. Going forward, we will figure out how to make it more effectively, how to shoot it really well, because recording takes a lot of time, because you have to wait for the market price to move. So anyways, I will try to work out in my OBS. I have downloaded now OBS software like you guys suggested. I will try to see when I export this to mobile screen, will this look small, or I'll check on YouTube how to make this icons bigger and record, so that on mobile phone the letters are seen visibly. Okay, so I will work on it. Anyways, today is Friday, I have Saturday, Sunday. I will do some experiments and all those. It's left to me. So anyways, this is just a concept of live trading vlog or for day trader, so that you understand what I do on a daily basis. We have so many things to discuss in the coming days. We will be discussing as and when I get comfortable doing these type of videos for you guys. Let's make it more interesting. Anyways, trade safe. When you have some time, learn more about the market. That's the secret. The more you learn, so these things you don't see, how much time I spend in learning and teaching, that helps me to improve myself day by day. So when I go to the market, I feel more confident. Okay, so spend more time in learning automatically when you and less time in trading. So more you learn, less you trade. That is when you see some changes in you. So try this out. Let's work it out together and let's learn together. So see you soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.